Nelson. Welcome to Salazar Contracting. Where you are grading this property, front and backyard, we're going to be doing a topsoil sod installation. This morning we got rid of the concrete in the backyard. Now we are just finishing up. Hopefully we'll be done in a few days. I'm hoping tomorrow, but due to the weather and a few issues with the dump truck, it might be till Saturday to finish up. So stay tuned, watch and see how I operate the Bobcat.
Straighten out.
This is my crew. These guys are really good. They're young guys. They want to learn. They want to succeed in life. They will do that. This guy is really, he's a natural. You should check out our first YouTube video the other day. It was amazing. Harpreet's a little more shy, but he's getting there.
Following up from the last time, today we have the topsoil in the truck. We have 2 trucks full of topsoil, and we already did the front, as you can see. So now we're gonna do the back. We're gonna add some topsoil to the back, 4 inches. That's what we want, and then we're gonna roll it with a roller, and then rake it nicely so that it looks nice, and then it's ready for sod. And then when we're done, we're just gonna install the sod both for the front and the back, and that's pretty much it for today.